Hey guys, welcome to another paint with me video. Everything that I will be using will be listed in the description if you are interested. And today I will be painting a kind of pastel sky, and I just love sky themed paintings, so I just thought I'd paint another one. I'm only using three main colors for this painting, that is blue, white and red. So first I'm mixing a sky blue color by mixing cobalt blue and white. Then I'm taking my crimson, blue and then white again to make a pastel purple color. And lastly a pastel pink by mixing the crimson and the white. For the background of the sky, I kind of wanted a gradient effect of the blue, purple and pink. So I'm placing the pink at the bottom, purple in the middle and blue at the top. And I'm using this hard bristled flat brush to just blend everything together. After I've done the whole canvas, I'm taking another flat brush, and this is a dry brush so that I can just smoothen everything out. And I'm also painting the corners of the canvas, but it's not on video, but make sure you do that because it looks a lot better. Now I'm taking a filbert brush, and I was going to paint in the clouds right now, but the paint wasn't really dry, so the white mixed in with the background colors, and I know I made a mistake here, so I just decided to mark the outline of the clouds and let it dry before I start making the clouds. This is the fun part because now I'm taking a sponge. You can take any sponge, but I had this thing lying around. I wet it in a little bit of water so that the sponge is a little bit damp. So for the clouds I'm using three colors, that is white, pink and purple. I'm using white for the highlights, purple for the shadows and pink for the midtones. So starting off with white, I am marking all the outlines and the highlighted areas of the clouds, and then I go in with the pink for the middle areas and then the purple for the shadow areas. And I do this again and again until I am satisfied with what it looks like. And It was a really messy process, but it was just so much fun. And this is like a speed time-lapse thing of me doing this over and over again. Next, I have this silver acrylic paint that I recently got, and I love using this paint. So I'm taking the sponge again and I'm applying the silver paint to the highlighted areas again. You can't really see it right now, but it just looks really pretty when the light hits it. And you can see the top part is kind of empty because I want a moon there. So I'm taking a 2 rupee coin. You can take anything that is a circular shape, and I'm taking my detailer brush and I'm just outlining the circle because I can't draw circles freehand and I don't want to take a risk. So I'm just painting the outline and I'm just painting in the moon with more white paint. So after I fill in the moon with the white paint, the moon's not always like fully white, right? It has flaws. So I'm taking my sponge again and kind of dabbing it on the moon so that it takes off some of the paint. And here's a quick tip for you guys. If you get a brush hair stuck on your painting, all you need to do is take a clean dry brush and just pick up the hair like that, like I just showed you, and the brush hair comes off the painting really easily. And then I'm taking silver paint and the white paint and I'm kind of making details in the moon, and I am circling the outline with the silver paint as well because I just like to paint the moon that way. Now it's finally time to sprinkle some stars to my sky. So I usually take this hard bristled brush to sprinkle the stars, but you can always use a toothbrush. And then I'm just adding more stars manually with a little detailer brush. And I use white and silver for this. And I think that's done. You can't really see, but when it hits the light, it just looks so pretty. And there's this thing that I do because whenever I do paintings like this, I have some paint remaining on my palette, right? So I tend to paint my hand with it. I don't know, it might be weird, but I just love doing that. But this is how my hand looked after I painted it with all the remaining colors. Finally, we have our finished painting, and I'm really happy with this painting. I had so much fun painting this. Thank you so much for watching the video, and like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And thank you to everyone who have subscribed. It really means a lot to me, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!